I've always loved history, and I've always been passionate about it because I think it has something that we're missing today, and I think that is the tenacity that mankind had back then, that there was nothing that would stop them. Certain morals that they held back then, which were just unbreakable. No one lives by the sword, who will defend those who cannot. And so to me, that is a saying of, if you live by the sword, you will die by the sword. And that means I have to die by the sword to protect the people who can't defend themselves.